What is going on, everyone? Another beautiful day today. Today we're going to change out 2 thermostats. We're going back with some simple Honeywell T6 PRO programmable thermostats. There's a few settings in there, obviously, that I'm curious to get your feedback on. One of those being the adaptive intelligent recovery feature. Curious what you think about that and what you've seen out in the field with that. But other than that, let's get into the video, get this set up, installed, be on our way. See you guys on the next one. Okay, so here's the thermostats that we're installing today. It's a Honeywell T6 PRO programmable thermostat. What I like to do whenever I'm installing these is I like to set all the programming up ahead of time before I bring everything inside. Little tip there for you. Just gotta twist it. Use that. Let that get set there. Now I love these ones because they're really simple to use. The only downside that I find to these is the initial setup, because they don't tell you what you're setting up in the options. They give you this with a bunch of number codes. So that means set the date and time for the first time, and then this is what I'm talking about right here. Look at this. 120 and then number 3. So I got to go through this sheet. That's the only thing I don't like about these. And that's why I set them up outside, because it's easier. Because it is a heat pump, it is a ream unit, so that means that the reversing valve is energized in heating. This is the only system outside of Gree that does this, and I don't know why. So this is a setting that I'm interested to know if you guys set on these. I personally turn it off, and that's the adaptive intelligent recovery. For some reason, I have noticed that the algorithm that these use gets a little wonky. I've had it before where it'll set the heat and turn on at really weird times. I think the purpose of it is for it to understand how long it takes for a system to turn on or off, and then it will compensate. But I need to stop myself talking right there. That was so the wrong thing to say. That is not what I was trying to articulate in that moment. What I was trying to say is not that it will decide how the system turns on or off. It's going to delay when the system decides to come on. So what I have seen personally with that setting is that it could be 70 degrees for cooling, and it waits till the house gets to like 75 before the cooling turns on, because it's trying to get that optimal run time. Now, that could be an indication that a system is oversized, but I've also seen it in the shoulder seasons where it gets really out of whack. So that's what I was trying to articulate there. Back to the video. Okay, that one's done. This all off over here. I'm going to program the second one off camera, get that set up to go, and then we'll go inside and install it really quick. All right, so that was pretty much it. Got that installed. Got this little blue guy down here set to the 1 wire. Another thing to watch out for on these, that white wire right there, that's where the auxiliary needs to be plugged into. But we got that put back together. We're good to go. Guys, it doesn't get much easier than just doing some simple thermostat changeouts. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. Let me know if there's anything that you guys would be interested in seeing me cover. But as always, hope you guys have a great day.